Game 3. UEFA Champions League Newcastle vs Barcelona predicted outcomes. Over 1.5 goals over. Barcelona's 2.7 goals average meets Newcastle's open style. Over 2.5 bookings over. Intense atmosphere leads to cards. Away, 0.25 handicap Barcelona wins. Draw refund half. Superior quality edges it. Over 3.5 first half corners over. Wing play from both creates early corners. Data analysis summary. Barcelona, 5th with 16 points plus 8 GD. Are potent attackers, 22 goals, but inconsistent away. Newcastle, mid-table place. Have strong home European form, but defensive issues. Confidence percentage, 75%. Expert opinion. Barcelona's technical superiority shines against Newcastle's energy, but St. James Park could force errors. Goals